huge deal. There's only, right now, the other Nintendo store is located in New York City, and this happens to be the second store ever in the United States. So you can imagine it's like a huge deal. I'm here because of the childhood, nostalgia, playing Super Smash Bros. With my brothers. So I'm here to enjoy the day.
Some people shopping in the store is not the only reason to be here.
I'm looking forward to just seeing everybody come. I'm hoping more people come with cosplay, like costumes. I love that.
No more?
My name is Joe. Woohoo! Sisters! Sweet!
Mamma mia! Let's go! I'm Luigi.
Pika pika!
Oh yeah!